Expo East, having a good time. This is Sunday morning. We're gonna walk around, check out some stuff. It's a little slower right now, so we have time to get away from our booth, but we're in the Zarges booth, been hanging out, selling some amazing cases. We did do a win the raffle last night with a cool cooking set. Thanks to Anna back there for buying the tickets. But let's walk around and check out some stuff. This is the Toyota booth here. They had a really good question answer fire pit night on, I think it's Friday night, which was cool. But they have the trail hunters out here. It's the new 4Runner there, the trail hunter, which is awesome. So this is the new Sequoia 2024. You know, a lot of people are switching to this platform for overlaying just because it's a little bit bigger. Great for family.
We can leave that seat back. You have a shelf here and a shelf down here.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. How are you doing?
Good. This is what the character. Hey, I love your overalls. Thank you so much.
I'm saying, how do we know we're going to have 12? Is your song?
Having a fun weekend? Yeah.
So yeah, here we have the power brake. One of the top braking upgrades you can get for your vehicle. Obviously, when you add in all that weight, you need some better stopping power. So these guys are on top of the game.
They're pretty, right?
Born and bred in the racing industry, so
Yeah.
it's got to be top notch for that. And obviously, we're out here at the Bush Company. They have some of the best awnings and rooftop tents. We actually have the Max, the same awning here on our truck, and it is awesome. Lasted through all kinds of storms and rain and all that good stuff, but amazing. So go check them out.
Hey, it's Nathan from Car to Camp, and we're here at Expo East showing off our new sleeping platform car camping system. We've been working on this for the past year, and we're very excited to show it to the public. We designed our own custom aluminum extrusions, so now we have T-slots on the top, 2 strap-down fridges. We have accessory rails inside it where you can add a slide-out table, or you can add a drawer system. This table comes out and becomes its own camp table. You can adjust each height of each side of the platform to whatever you want. So I went lower on this side for more headroom when sleeping, taller on this side for more storage space underneath. They'll have rubberized tops. And these are coming out for the 4Runner, RAV4, Outback, Forester, and CRV in January of 2025.
So yeah, we had to stop by one of our favorite booths. This is Hest Outdoors, and they do all kinds of stuff for sleeping. And check out, I actually have this pillow right here, which is the large. It packs down and folds in, really comfortable. They've got some amazing bedding, so you can check those out. You can visit our website. We do have discounts on these. So the other thing I really like is the Hest comforter here. It's duck down, very soft, and they do stuff for dogs too. They have dog beds. So
Because if this goes slack, which I'm pinching it together here, the winch line can come off, and now we have rope on rope, and then that will cut so fast, right? Then you don't catch it because you're 50, 60, 70 feet away.
And we are over here checking out the line of Gazelle tents. They do have an Overland version. I do like just a T4. This is a smaller gazebo. I have the larger gazebo. I have the G6, which is right here. This is a G5. Let's go check this out. It's a big tent here. So we got a swing over here. Even though we're Toyota, I actually have the new Frontier Pro 4X. I just want to check out this. This is built by Z1 Off-Road. They have their own brakes, a lot of accessories, tent, all that good stuff. This thing has a lift, sliders. Like all Overland Expos, there's a lot of cute dogs.
Do you travel with them? We've been traveling with him for over a year, but we actually just got here too.
That helped me when I was writing out that raffle.
So a quick setup here.
Put the water down, I noticed it stopped flowing.
This is revision number 3. Probably finalized this. It works pretty well for what we do. Come around here. Open this side here. We got this recently, a little storage. This is like a little food access cabinet, which is cool to have there. Just add the P-Cron for charging when we're on the road, which is really nice. ICECO, dual open at both sides, which is nice. You can get in from this side or the other side there. Move to the front. We're actually for service at this event. We're running the Starlink Mini. Walk around here. Got some merchandise. Of course, I've been cooking on the Cobb Grill all weekend. This thing is awesome. I do have some discount codes on our website for this, so check that out. And I do have, if you reach out, we have 20% off some Zarges cases. So that's awesome. Hey, bud.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's fine. So they just came out with these cool little color wraps. So you can do a whatever color. They're kind of a kit, and they have a DIY video where it shows you how to put these on. But it's kind of cool. You can make your own custom color cases. I just prefer the raw aluminum. Then you have the painted cases with the cutting boards. They're really nice. So yeah, that's some good stuff. That's my great case here we use for, has a lot of bees. Mainly spices, fire stuff.